Welcome back. In this lesson, we will continue our discussion of HVAC systems by showing you two different ways to create the ducts for your HVAC system. The two ways are manually and automatically, and we'll discuss both of them over the course of this video. Before you can design a system, though, you first have to lay out all of the components that you will need for your duct system. The components that make up an HVAC system are the mechanical equipment or the air handling unit that actually moves the air through your system. You have air terminals, which are the ports through which the air enters your space. And then you have your different types of ducts. For Revit, those are ducts, flexible ducts, and duct placeholders. You'll need to have the first two designed before you can place the ducts. To begin placing the ducts, click on the mechanical equipment, that is, the air handling unit. We'll be calling it mechanical equipment for the purposes of the project. Once you've selected your mechanical equipment, you'll notice at the top of the screen that new tabs have been added to the ribbon. These are mechanical equipment, piping systems, and electrical circuits. For this lesson, we'll be working with mechanical equipment. Under the mechanical equipment tab, you'll see a number of panels and icons. The panels include Mode, Layout, Analysis, and Create Systems. Right now, we're concerned with Create Systems, from which, as you can see, you can create ducts for your HVAC system. To begin the process of laying out the duct work for your HVAC system, simply left-click on the duct icon that we just discussed. A window will appear, asking you to define the system type and the system name for the ducts you want to create. Under System Type, you can choose either supply air or return air. Supply air means that the ducts will be used to pump air into the building, whereas return air will collect air and take it back to a central location. We're going to choose supply air. The system name can be whatever you want. We're going to leave it at Mechanical Supply Air 32, just for the sake of simplicity. And when we're done, we'll click OK to close the window. So now we've defined our system, but right now the only components that are a part of it are the air handling unit, or the mechanical equipment. The next thing we need to do is add the air terminals to our system. To do that, go to the ribbon, and while you have the system selected, click the Edit System button. You'll notice the ribbon change again. Make sure Add to System is selected, and then left-click on the 4 air terminals to add them to the system. If you want to remove any, you can always click the Remove from System button and repeat the process. When you've finished adding all of the components that you need for your air system, click on Finish Editing System, and that's enough for this lesson. Now let's have a quick review. In this video, we defined what ducting systems are, as well as the components that make up duct systems. Those are the mechanical equipment, or air handling unit, air terminals, and your different types of ducts: ducts, duct placeholders, and flexible ducts. We also showed you how to create the duct system. In the next lesson, we will go ahead and complete the system by adding ducts that will connect the mechanical equipment to the air terminals. Thanks for watching.